Okay, here we go. This is my first attempt at a video for a buddy of mine who wants to know how to get a bipod mounted on his 1022 Ruger, since it doesn't come factory with drilled holes for swivels. So I'm going to break it down and kind of show you how to customize it your damn self. What you do, I have this right here. Very useful tool, the Kershaw Crossfire multi-purpose knife with a Allen wrench bit. Pretty basic. Let's see. Come on. Can't really see what the angle on the camera is, so bear with me. I'm having to take the screw out that far. Okay, maybe you do. Okay. On this stock, it's a bit goofed up from the last person who had it there. But what you do, drill you out a hole. It's got a little rubber washer, and you can buy these swivels, both of them, for about $4 at Walmart. And get you a drill bit, like I said, a little bit smaller than this. And on the bipod, you're gonna have that hole right there. So once you mount it pretty close to pretty close towards the edge, you can kind of see where it's gonna go. Right there, where it's comfortable, has leather rests, and I don't know if it's gonna let me or not. Well, I'll just do it like this. You have right there the two little clamps that go inside the swivel. Now once you tighten down this Allen wrench key, and you have these other two, and that's where your sling goes. So put it all back together. Tighten it all back down. You get this, and of course twist and twist. So there you go. That is the quick install your own bipod. And you had asked about the buttstock part of it. It's pretty simple. Just come up, like I said, about an inch, about a quarter inch. Center your hole, drill it out with a smaller bit than what your swivel is, and then just screw it in. It helps if you take a small Allen wrench to stick it in there to help turn it, because it is going to force its way in there. But that rubber seal, once it's in there, it's in there. And there you go. So enjoy.